this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the premium package as well as the leather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust, got that tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, we do have a nice roof spoiler, nice little roof rack on the top, blind spot detection, and heated door mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front we do have a hood deflector, license plate bracket, front park sensing, and that nice Jeep grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with an automatic trunk opener, which provides you with excellent storage space. You got storage cubbies on the side, little hooks, your 12 volts right there. You can collapse that row if you need more space. Hooks over here, you can close your door trunk from there. Lifting this up, we do get a fair bit of storage with your full-size spare tire as well. And clicking this, it does close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice perforated white leathering with quilted white leathering as well. We do have little cargo nets on the back seats, your own fans, 2 USBs, 2 heated back seats with a 115 volt outlet just right there. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Cup holder in the door, quilted leathering on the door with some nice wood paneling. This does open up for your DVD service, which is pretty nice. And on each side you do have your HDMI input and outputs. Oh, there you go. And we do have a DVD player right there and a nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same quilted and perforated leathering we saw in the back there. Summit logo on the front seats as well. Powered seats, the Summit logo right there. Plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 2 drivers. Quilted leathering on the door, wood paneling. Waiver lights, gas cap, parking brake right there, and wood paneling across the dash as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 29,263 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with some nice wood accents on the top. Got your toggle for your menu. We do have paddle shifters as well, phone, voice right there, and your cruise control settings just right there. Jeep logo. Looking at your main screen here, you have your digital speedometer, your maintenance on the vehicle, such as oil light, battery voltage, so on and so forth, cruise control, fuel economy, trip A, audio, any messages you may have, screen setup, and your digital speedometer again. Nice leather up gear shift, cup holders. You have your downhill 4-wheel drive, your drive modes. You can lift your axles up or down by just clicking these buttons right there. We have 2 USBs, an aux and a 12 volt, and some suede inserts. Park assist right there, park sensing, lane keep, eco, sport, traction, dual climate, leather up center console with a ton of storage. There's your CD injector for the back DVD players, 12 volts, so on and so forth. You have your mute, screen off. Looking above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, as well as our garage door opener. You have storage in the center console and dash. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your travel link, heated seats, cooled seats. You have your media, which has SiriusXM capabilities, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can control your climates from here as well, or down there. There's your heated and ventilated seats, any apps you may have downloaded, off-road pages.
SOS call not sign 1 if there is an emergency.
Good. You have your navigation, phone. Oh, come on. Yes, I know. And your settings such as language, clock, camera, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE20755B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.